The Lion and the Mouse. In a big green jungle, there lived many animals. The jungle had tall trees, colorful flowers, and a clear blue river. Among the animals in this jungle, there was a big strong lion named Leo and a tiny gray mouse named Max. Leo the lion was the king of the jungle. He had a golden mane and sharp teeth. All the animals were afraid of Leo. He was very big and very loud. When Leo roared, the whole jungle shook. Max the mouse was very small. He had soft gray fur and a long tail. Max lived in a tiny hole at the bottom of a big tree. He was always careful because many animals in the jungle wanted to eat mice. One hot day, Leo was sleeping under a big tree. He had just eaten a big lunch and was very full. Leo was snoring loudly. His snores were so loud that the leaves on the tree shook. Max was looking for food near Leo's tree. He saw some seeds on the ground and started to eat them. Max was so busy eating that he didn't see Leo sleeping nearby. As Max ate the seeds, he got closer and closer to Leo. Suddenly, Max stepped on Leo's tail. Leo woke up with a big roar. He was very angry. Leo looked down and saw tiny Max. Leo put his big paw on Max to stop him from running away. Poor Max was very scared. He thought Leo was going to eat him. Max looked up at Leo with big, scared eyes. In a tiny voice, Max said, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat me. I'm so small. I wouldn't make a good meal for you. If you let me go, I promise I'll help you someday." Leo laughed. His laugh was as loud as his roar. He said, "You? Help me? How could a tiny mouse like you ever help a big, strong lion like me?" Max said, "I may be small, but I'm smart and quick. Please give me a chance. I promise I'll help you if you ever need it." Leo thought this was very funny. He couldn't imagine how a little mouse could ever help him. But Leo wasn't hungry, and he thought Max was brave for talking to him. So Leo decided to let Max go. Leo lifted his paw and said, "Okay, little mouse, I'll let you go. But I don't think you'll ever be able to help me. I'm too big and strong to need help from a mouse." Max was so happy. He said, "Thank you, Mr. Lion. You won't regret this. I'll remember your kindness forever." Then Max ran back to his home as fast as he could. Days passed. Leo continued to rule the jungle. He hunted for food and slept under his favorite tree. He forgot all about his meeting with Max. One day, Leo was walking through a part of the jungle he didn't know well. He was looking for food. Suddenly, he stepped on something that made a loud noise. Leo felt ropes tighten around his legs and body. Leo had stepped into a trap. The trap was made by humans who wanted to catch animals. The ropes were very strong. Leo couldn't break them, even though he was very strong. Leo roared and roared for help. He was scared and angry, but no animals came to help him. They were all too afraid of the big lion. Leo tried to break the ropes for hours, but he couldn't do it. He was getting tired and hungry. Leo thought, "Oh no, I'm going to be stuck here forever." Just then, Leo heard a small noise. He looked down and saw Max the mouse. Max had heard Leo's roars and came to see what was wrong. Max said, "Mr. Lion, what happened? Are you okay?" Leo was surprised to see Max. He said, "Little mouse, I'm stuck in this trap. The ropes are too strong for me to break. Can you go find someone big and strong to help me?" Max looked at the ropes. He had an idea. He said, "Mr. Lion, I can help you. My teeth are very sharp. I can chew through these ropes." Leo didn't believe Max could help, but he was desperate, so he said, "Okay, little mouse, You could try. Max started to chew on the ropes. His tiny teeth worked very fast. Bit by bit, the ropes started to break. Max chewed and chewed for a long time. He was getting tired, but he didn't stop. Finally, after many hours, Max chewed through the last rope. Leo was free. Leo stood up and shook his body. He couldn't believe that Tiny Max had saved him. Leo looked at Max and said, "Little mouse, I was wrong about you. You said you would help me one day, and you did. You may be small, but you are very brave and kind. Thank you for saving me." Max was very happy. He said, "You're welcome, Mr. Lion. You were kind to me when you let me go. I'm glad I could help you too. Size doesn't matter when it comes to being a good friend." From that day on, Leo and Max became good friends. Leo protected Max from other big animals. Max helped Leo by listening for dangers with his big ears. It learned that friendship can come in all sizes. Leo learned an important lesson. He learned that even the smallest animal can be a big help. He was never mean to small animals again. Instead, he became friends with many of them. The other animals in the jungle were surprised to see Leo and Max together. They learned that kindness and friendship are more important than being big or strong. Leo and Max had many adventures together in the jungle. They helped other animals who were in trouble. They showed everyone that big and small animals could be friends. And so the lion and the mouse lived happily in the jungle, teaching all the animals that a little kindness can go a long way, and that help can come from unexpected places. The end.